Ayy, skin glowing cause I hit the water in Jamaica. Ain't got no favor for a hater, bitch, I'm highly favored. I bought a crib next to my crib cause I ain't want no neighbors. I mind my business, I ain't tripping. God said I'm his favorite. Yeah, God said I'm his favorite.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, actually, y'all, I just got work. I'm just chilling in my car, you guys. I got so much to talk to y'all about. Make sure alright. Make sure to hit that post notification bell. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend, come check a girl out. Be back on here with y'all. Last time you guys seen, I was purchasing my car that you guys see now. And we're gonna talk about all that what y'all see going on in the back, y'all. Yeah, so it's very much a lot of stuff. Got work literally like 2 hours ago, so I just threw my wig off, baby, eating some Reese's and, you know, drinking the water because you gotta stay hydrated and looking good. I'm working on my exercising, but we're gonna very much get to that soon. I just really want to come on here and let y'all know what's up and how's life been going, new changes, what my goals and plans are, very exciting, good things. Well, okay. First of all, y'all, it's going on a month since I've been working. I work at this gas station. I just been super excited about my car. I've been handling business outside of trying to figure out other things. But anyway, I have to go to Slidell again. I guess Monday. I was supposed to go yesterday. I mean, not yesterday because I'm working. I was supposed to go tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. But I'm off Monday, so that's great. What else? All kind of stuff. And soon your girl gonna be on the road. What else? Yeah, so life update. Well, y'all, I've been making big changes. Hard changes, but changes that's probably needed it. Super excited about this new life of mine. I can finally try to figure out, you know, what I'm gonna do. Another thing, y'all, so y'all know that I tripled the amount that I wanted to save in my savings. So I spent, you know, $2,500 just for this car, like, period. And it's mine. It's all mine. This is my baby. What else? So, you know, I had to start over from scratch, but I never gave up. So when I got my little first paycheck, y'all, my little check, because it wasn't much, but anyways, it was like, you know, a good penny. But yeah, y'all, I got back to my goal on having 1,000 in my savings, so I'm back to that goal. Thank you, Jesus, because y'all, yeah. So I'm back to that. I'm not touching that ever. Yeah, so it's so great. So yesterday was so great, y'all. At work, oh my gosh, y'all. But let me tell you, those people, when you working as a cashier, y'all, they gonna try you. But anyways, so great freaking news. We getting a raise, dog. Wait, yeah, like great things been happening. Great things are coming. I'm just super excited about this new life I'm finna partake. I got my stuff in the bag. I'm in the process on trying to get my own place soon. So once I get all this straightened out on my car, everything, let me show y'all your girl just, I ain't on the road yet, but look, your girl on Florida, baby. Don't play with me. Florida. Gotta show y'all that. Cause yeah, anyway, yeah, my video cut off. But yeah, your girl got a full tank, baby. So I'm super excited about that. I'm excited about just, I guess, coming into who I am, because I gotta like love me, really. I gotta put myself first in a lot of situations in life. And I'm only getting older. I mean, it's a lot of child stuff I'm letting go and moving forward from. Just to get me started in this life. You know, I got a lot of stuff I want to do, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, I've been feeling my spirit like, I wanna move. I wanna freaking move out of state. Okay, so I have to get my right alignment. No. Is that what it's called? Right alignment? Something. On my car, cause yeah. So once I get that done and get my license plate and license, y'all, and save up at least to 5K in my probably more than that in my bank account. And baby, after that, I'm leaving Louisiana. Like, I'm not looking back. I promise you. Like, definitely outgrown this state, and I outgrown a lot of things like that. I'm not even like loving them more at all. Like, it's definitely time for your girl to like live her life and explore her dreams. You know, just do a lot of great things that I've been wanting to do. Like, you know, and I'm going to do that moving forward. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing. I've been trying to like, y'all, look on different places for stuff. Like, I am super excited. I am so happy. I don't give a care. Like, I love my car. So once hold up. Once I get everything straight on my car, y'all, give me 2 months. No lie. Give me 3 months. Hard grind. No stopping. I mean, 3 months of like blood, sweat, and tears. Like, give me 3 months, y'all. Give me 3 months. Probably not even that, but a lot. And because I know, like, yeah, I'm so hungry for the lifestyle I'm trying to live, and like just the things I want to do, and I have to accomplish them. First and foremost, I have to give me some gas so I can see at night. So we're gonna make an appointment real soon once I get my what's the name. So, y'all, I am like just super excited about this new lifestyle. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm happy. Like, now I got a car. Like, your girl can just up and leave. Period. Period. So, y'all, like, I ain't gonna lie. Back to my job. I love my job. I'm too hyped, y'all. Don't worry about me, because I drank some coffee. I be drinking coffee at work, y'all. And it just very much just had me so hyper. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm really ready for y'all to continue to be on this journey with me, because it's been hard. But when you can accept your fate and you accept things for what it is, and it's okay to let stuff go. Like, it's okay to be by yourself. It's okay, like, to be by yourself when I'm saying. It's okay to be by yourself and not be close to family, if that makes sense. Like, it's okay. Like, it's nothing wrong with being alone. Like, there is nothing wrong. Like, you know, so much of we, like, depend on, we need codependency and this and that. If y'all ever grew up in, like, you know, where you just never did anything, like, really, you had people that, like people around you do stuff for you, help you with this and that. But then it's like, when you get older, baby, you gotta break off from that. Like, it's time to be ground, explore. I'm ready for it. I'm ready, y'all. Like, and I'm determined. I'm not letting nothing stop me. I am, like, everything I said I want, I'm getting. Like, oh my God. Whew, y'all, like, it is like, it's very much, it feels good. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good to finally, like, I got my car. Like, this something I wrote in my journal, y'all. Like, it's in my bag stuff. So, but if I can, like, get my journal off of y'all and show y'all what I wrote, oh my God, I got to. Hold up, y'all. I just find this stuff in my journal for y'all to do with my goals, but just some little. So I wrote Thursday at 8:36 a.m. November 11th, 2021. I said, good morning. Today I didn't sleep well. It's been like this for a month now. Sometimes my childhood trauma creeps in. It robs me of my sleep. I slept with the night lamp on. I turned on my audio Bible to get some rest. This morning I packed for the weekend. Blah, blah, blah. I said my prayers, and now I'm eating Waffle House. I pray today goes well, and that God help me through my dark thoughts. I pray that my family be okay and blessed. I just want God to keep all my siblings healthy and older. I'm grateful for another day to be alive. Today I challenge my mental health to be on track and that I can treat everyone well. Okay. Now that's just some stuff, but I got my goals written somewhere. Next, so I found the page in my journal. So I write this. Oh my goodness. Oh, why didn't I write the dates? Okay, I think this was December, I think. Yeah, December. So I wrote 1 for finances, learned a long time ago. Did save my money up to 1K in my bank account. Okay. And, I put save up enough to down pay on a car. Okay, hold up, y'all, because I'm finna cry. Okay. Save up enough to down pay on a car and apartment. Y'all don't understand. I literally just did the first thing. Oh my gosh. Hold up, y'all. Whoo, I'm getting emotional. Like, y'all, this is, like, I'm very much excited. I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, okay. All right, so I did all it. Yeah. So I saved up enough for a car. Okay. Got my car. We in the car, obviously. Got 1K in my bank account. Okay. Literally. And the last thing, save up, well, I got that, but do a down payment for an apartment. So we working on it. My mental health too. Be more mindful of my thoughts and how my words may hurt others. Learn how to love myself more. Being more honest about my feelings. Go to therapy and be honest about the person I am. Okay, I didn't do all it. I done went to therapy all it. And I'm being more honest and open about me. I'm being more honest and open about my feelings. I'm being more honest and open about myself. You know, just being me. But just know I done worked on all it. And I'm just super excited to really accomplish like that part, because baby, that was super but we're gonna put that look y'all real soon. But like, I'll be moving soon in my own place, so it's gonna be so nice. I can't wait to do an apartment tour. So y'all, this was really just the update how life been going and just my mental health been. Yeah, so this is my little car, y'all. Hold on, so got my earpods, got my smell good sprays, got my really chapsticks. Them things hot. But yeah, things do get better over time. Like, y'all gotta get stuff time and things will work out in your favor and you will accomplish everything that you want. I'm just ready. I got a lot of new things, brand new goals, new things I want to do and accomplish. I want to just do a lot of great things and just wake up more happy, wake up more grateful no matter what. Like, y'all, it's been a little crazy, but once I can get my car on the road, you know, get all this straightened out, because like sometimes my boss will come bring me to work, little co-workers, you know, like, that's very good that I got you know, those people to bring work. And like, my auntie had been bringing me work too, so I thank God for her for bringing me to work, because y'all, it's been so tough. And babe, I thought I was gonna have to quit my job, but they so motivating me. Like, yeah, they be telling me some good stuff up there, and they be knowing when I'm sad or something, cause they be like, you sad cause you usually talk to us as soon as you come in, but you just like be in the back by yourself. I like, y'all know ain't nothing wrong with me. Like, you know, I just like to, you know, try to clear my thoughts and get everything together so I can, like, but after that, baby, I be on the road. I thank you guys for tuning in. This was just a little life update and just showing y'all my car. Super excited about that. So once we can get out, I might put some, I don't know, whatever. I thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend. Come check your girl out. I love you guys. Stay being great. Forgive. Love. And let go. Because you can't walk into who you fully need to be if you're still holding on that baggage. So we gotta let all the baggage go. Excuse me, to start over. Because you better than yourself. So it's okay, y'all. It's nothing wrong with starting over and having to just just be placed back. Excuse me a little bit. It's okay. As long as you can, and you striving for greatness, and you know that your goals that you want to do and accomplish, and can't really nothing get in the way of that. But I thank y'all for tuning in. Keep continuing to follow me on this journey, y'all, and I love you guys so much. And I will. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I can't talk. I will be back with another video soon, letting y'all know what's been going on. Probably the next time y'all see me, I'll be on the road driving. I'm take y'all to the car wash with me. We're gonna do a lot of great things. So I hope y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and keep loving and keep forgiving and keep being your very self. Love you guys.
Ay, skin glowing cause I hit the water in Jamaica. Ain't got no favor for a hater, bitch, I'm highly favored. I bought a crib next to my crib cause I ain't want no neighbors. I mind my business, I ain't tripping. God said I'm his favorite. Yeah, God said I'm his favorite.